Hello, I am Anis Nayak. Welcome to the very first video on the channel, Semicon Sentience. A few seconds on the introduction first. Now, in today's world, let's be honest, AI is moving so fast, it's hard to keep up. You may have heard buzzwords like LLMs, neural networks, AGI, and many more. And my goal with this channel is simple to take the complex world of artificial intelligence and break it down into plain English. So, coming to the topic of the day, there is a new literacy being born right now around you. Now, it's not coding like Python or C++, Java. It's more like a natural language programming, what we call it as prompt engineering. The ability to speak to artificial intelligence is the single most valuable skill of this decade. Now, in my upcoming three-part series, we aren't just looking at the tricks. We are breaking down a framework on how to write a prompt step by step. We are going to test it against the hardest logic puzzles or maybe hardest topics in the world and use real world scenarios using LLMs like Gemini and ChatGPT. To prove how this technology is powerful, I thought of making a trailer video on what you can expect on this three-part series. Initially, I thought I will tell you about what you can expect from the episode series in more of a conventional way. But since the topic itself on AI was on AI, so I thought why not build the trailer kind of stuff using AI itself. So I figured let the AI speak for itself. And now what I've done is I've used my presentations and the material, and with help of Google's Notebook LM, we have made this trailer. Watch it, and the three episodes will be out soon. Thank you.
What if you could talk to AI like a pro? And I don't just mean, typing in a few words and hoping for the best. I mean truly speaking its language. Imagine getting exactly what you want from AI. We're talking deeper insights, more creative ideas, and just better results every single time. Look, this isn't just some new trick. It's a fundamental skill for the future. It's a whole new kind of literacy, one that's going to empower the next generation of creators, thinkers, and innovators. We're right in the middle of a massive technological shift. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And just like the internet changed literally everything, AI is reshaping our world as we speak. So to navigate this new landscape, we need to speak its language. Learning to interact with these new digital minds, well, that's the critical skill of our time. It's the difference between being a passenger, just along for the ride, and actually grabbing the wheel and taking the driver's seat. So how do you get those brilliant results from AI consistently? Well, the good news is it's not guesswork. There's a method, a precise system that, believe it or not, anyone can learn. To truly speak this new language, to command these powerful tools with absolute precision, you need to know the secret code, a system that turns your ideas into perfect instructions for any AI. And here it is. This is the RTCEFCS framework. Now, I know it stands for Role, Task, Context, Exemplars, Format, Constraints, and Style. It might look a little complex, but it's actually a simple, super powerful system. It's the key to unlocking perfect AI prompts every time. So, think of this masterclass series as your three-step roadmap. We're going to guide you on a transformation from a curious novice all the way to a confident expert in AI communication. We've broken our journey into three parts. First up, the awakening, where you'll discover the true potential of AI. Then, the foundation, where you'll build the skill by mastering the framework. And finally, the proof, where you'll get to witness its power firsthand. In our first episode, The Awakening, you're going to see the massive difference between an amateur prompt and a pro level one. And get this, we have a simple 10-second proof that will completely change how you think about AI. Next, in episode 2, The Foundation, we get hands-on. We're going to break down that whole RTCFCS framework and use it to build a powerful, real-world prompt completely from scratch. And our case study is going to be India's historic Chandrayaan-3 moon mission. Yeah, we'll use this incredible story of science and ambition to construct our perfect prompt piece by piece. Finally, in episode 3, The Proof, we put our work to the test. We'll run our expertly crafted Chandrayaan-3 prompt and see the incredible results for ourselves. This is where the magic really happens. And we're not just going to test it on one platform either. Nope. We'll test it on both ChatGPT and Gemini to prove that this framework is a universal key, capable of unlocking the absolute best from any major AI model out there. So who's going to guide you on this journey into the future of communication? Well, this masterclass series is presented by Anisnai. This is so much more than a course. It's an essential upgrade for this new AI era. So the only question left is, are you ready to master the language of the future?